Today, I want to take a moment to reflect on the life and legacy of Jrue Moor, the long-serving and highly respected CEO of Equitable Bank, also known for its digital brand EQ Bank. Jrue passed away unexpectedly over the weekend at the age of 65, and his death marks a tremendous loss not just for the banking world, but for Canada as a whole. Jrue Moor wasn't just a CEO, he was a true innovator. He led EQ Bank since 2007, transforming it from a modest regional trust company into a digital banking powerhouse with over $134 billion in assets and close to 2,000 employees across the country. He believed in doing things differently, in challenging the status quo, and in giving Canadians better, more flexible banking options. He was deeply committed to open banking, advocating for greater transparency, customer control over financial data, and increased competition in the industry. What made Jrue truly remarkable, though, was not just his professional achievements. It was how he led. He was described by many as kind, generous, and supportive. Leaders across the fintech and financial sectors, from venture capitalists to startup founders, credit Jrue for being a trailblazer who was always willing to share his wisdom and support others' success. He wasn't just focused on innovation. He built a legacy of mentorship, trust, and forward-thinking leadership. Reports suggest that Jrue died of a heart attack while exercising, a sudden and tragic end to a life that was still very much in motion. Equitable Bank has named Marlene Lenarduzzi, the Chief Risk Officer, as interim CEO, and succession plans were already well underway prior to his passing. But there's no denying that his absence will be deeply felt. Senator Colin Deacon described him as someone who showed us the path, and that's exactly what Jrue did. He pointed Canadian banking in a new direction, one rooted in fairness, accessibility, and innovations. He stood up for what he believed in, even when the regulatory environment lagged behind, and never lost sight of his mission to serve Canadians better. His friends, colleagues, and peers are mourning a leader who wasn't just intelligent, but principled. A man who led by example, who was proudly devoted to his family, and who made a lasting impact on both people and policy. Rest in peace, Jrue Moor. Your legacy will live on in every digital transaction, every financial innovation, and every banking customer who benefits from the bold future you helped build. Stay subscribed for more videos.